Your personal information is more vulnerable than ever, but you can reclaim your privacy from cyberbackgroundchecks.com. Cyberbackgroundchecks.com collects your data from data brokers, social media, and public records without your consent. To remove your data, visit cyberbackgroundchecks.com and search for your name and email address. Click on the Opt Out link and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. You may need to provide additional documentation like a driver's license or passport to delete your account. Once your account is deleted, your personal information will no longer be accessible through cyberbackgroundchecks.com. Be cautious about what you share online and use strong passwords with two-factor authentication. Regularly update your software and be aware of phishing scams to protect your devices from cyber threats. Limit the amount of data you store online and encrypt sensitive files before uploading them. By following these steps, you can ensure your private details remain secure and protected.